Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. If you're interested in learning Revit for structural concrete building, please subscribe to my channel. Before you watch this video, please support me so that I can provide more high-quality tutorials in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. Today we are diving into chapter 1 of WPF tutorial series. Chapter 1, how to create WPF project in Visual Studio. Windows Presentation Foundation, or WPF, is a powerful framework for building desktop application windows using XAML or Extensible Application Markup Language. We can design user interface. This approach separates the UI design from the backend logic, making your project cleaner and easier to manage. Step 1. Create a new project solution. First, let's create a new project solution. Open Visual Studio, and from the Start screen, click and create a new project. Step 2. Choose a WPF template. Next, select the WPF template that suits your project. You can choose between WPF.NET Framework or WPF App.NET Core, depending on your needs. Step 3. Name your project. Give your project main full name. For example, if you are working on a plugin for Etabs, you may name it Etabs plugin. Then click Create. Step 4. Run your WPF application. Your WPF application and project is now created. Press F5 or click the Start button to run it. Visual Studio will compile your project, and you will see an empty window titled Main. View Main window. Your first WPF application is up and running. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WPF tutorial and Etabs plugin application. See you in the next chapter.